And then, of course, the elephant in the room, right? AI. AI is we say this internally, AI, in my opinion, is like an F1 car. It's incredible. But unfortunately, most brands are still learning to drive. And we see this all the time. We use AI, of course we do, internally here at ConversionWise. And there's so many good use cases of AI, no more none so than efficiency and speed. But unfortunately, the direction to most brands is zero. And if you put a learner driver in an F1 car, typically you're going to crash. And we've seen this time and time again. In this modern world now, we are now having brands who go and try and do this by themselves with AI, and a couple of months later they come back frustrated with the results and they want to use our expertise again. So I think AI, from an efficiency and a speed point of view, 1000% has enhanced post-click and CRO, but you have to know how to drive it. And this is why I feel that AI alone won't grow your business. And you're probably, some of you are watching this and probably have had that experience, right? You've utilized AI, you've set up a test or a new store, or a new page, and it hasn't gone the way that you'd hoped. And that's because AI alone will be forced to give you an answer. You have to remember this. Any of the AI models always have to give you an answer. But that answer is not always necessarily the right answer for your growth and for your business. So where AI is effective is if you merge these 4 pillars together. So you might merge the data, which we'll talk about within this playbook, with the strategy and experience. And that is so, so important. AI can only do so much. But if you really want to get results post-click, you need that strategy. You need someone who's been there and done it time and time again and can drive the AI. Okay, that's like putting Max Verstappen into an F1 car, and that's what an agency like ConversionWise can do for you. So AI on its own is effective. It will help you cut corners, but it won't always get you the right results, because when a learner driver's taking a corner, typically they're going to crash in an F1 car. So we stopped, as a whole, we stopped thinking about CRO as just testing. And this is alluding back to that kind of, is traditional CRO dead? And we started thinking about it growth, the growth experience after the click. And that's how we now think of CRO. It's post-click growth. And I think whoever came up with the name conversion rate optimization did themselves dirty, right? Because we all know that conversion rate isn't the metric you should be tracking, because anyone can improve your conversion rate. And there's so many outside things that can affect your conversion rate. So we look at things like profit per visitor or revenue per visitor to your store. And we look at CRO now as the growth experience after that click.